Welcome, Darklings, to Season 3 of the Reign of Blood podcast. I'm Ember, one of your hosts, here to introduce you to the shadowy depths of what hopes to be our most sinister season yet. This season, your unholy trinity of organizers and hosts, Miss Kitten, Radically Dark, and myself, have entirely way too much fun with the Summer of Stabs, our 80s horror-themed series that promises to be both educational and thrilling. Our aim is to explore the macabre, beauty that lies in the shadowed, or maybe not so shadowed, spaces of desire. Leading up to Reign of Blood Nightfall, our advanced Halloween extravaganza, we'll be discussing topics such as embodied and informed consent, risk mitigation, and other helpful tips, ensuring that every prick, slice, and puncture is as thought through as it is sensational for you. We'll also continue interviewing sharks enthusiasts from around the world to find out what makes the blood-loving heart tick. And maybe we'll talk Miss K into recording some more horror meditations for us. Join us as we explore the eerie, the edgy, and the exquisitely sharp. This is Reign of Blood, where the macabre meets the magnificent, and the only limit is your imagination, risk profile, and informed consent. Let the Summer of Stabs begin. But first, a content warning. This podcast is not suited for individuals who are not legal adults, are not interested in heavier BDSM practices, who are presently having severe mental or relationship health concerns, or who do not already understand basic BDSM practices regarding consent, ethics, risk mitigation, etc. Topics may include things like mental health issues, social issues, injustice, blood and sharks, of course, medical trauma, medical issues, trauma of various types, and more. Listener discretion is heavily advised.
Hello, Stabs lovers. Welcome to our Summer of Stabs, preparing you for Reign of Blood Halloween. We are so excited and we can't wait to bring you all this amazing content. We have a couple of things to get you in the mood. So we hope that we can inspire the inner 80s horror enthusiast and bring you a bit of comic relief. We're going to bring you a horror meditation, the tragic tranquility of nail preparation. Got an upcoming class this weekend. We're really excited. And Ember Solaris is going to be teaching us about nailing. It's going to be a very practical class. There's going to be lots of information, lots of risk strategizing, how to prepare, how to do it. And some poor Amazon dildo is going to be heavily nailed by the end of the class. So we're really excited. We hope you join us. It's a 2-part series, but just to get you in the mood and to set the horror vibe for the week a little bit, here is my satire. So this is not real. This is not something I suggest you do. Just to put a smile on your face, my horror meditation, the tragic tranquility of nail prep. The scene. Dimly lit room adorned with flickering candles, a dance like shadows in a haunted ballet. Soft, eerie music plays in the background, providing a chilling soundtrack to an unsettling meditation. I'm about to guide you, listener, to prepare for a journey of a horrifying ritual. Welcome, brave soul, to the preparatory meditation for your upcoming escape from the mundane, a transcendent experience of pain, sacrifice, and, who could forget, that unique touch of nail artistry. Picture yourself as a prized tribute victim, destined for a fate that most would shy away from. Yet here you are, intrigued by the allure of the infinite, or perhaps just in for a little light torture on the weekend. Take a deep breath In through the nose and out through your mouth. Inhale, confidence. Exhale, denial. Inhale, confidence. Exhale, denial. Let anticipation wash over you like a cool touch of freshly sharpened metal. Now let's prepare your mind and body for the exquisite act of submission. Remember, this is not just about nails. It's about embracing your role in this delightful 80s horror show. Your flesh, a canvas, awaits the perfect puncture. An exquisite art installation that screams, commitment! With each heartbeat, visualize those stunning nails, glittering, glistening, intimidating. Picture them sliced through the air, an orchestra of pure dread. Feel the electric thrill of impending doom fill your veins. Our meditation focus is mental fortitude. Consider your sacrifice, a contribution to the greater good. Imagine yourself a martyr in the hands of your artist, each nail driven in like a brushstroke into a masterpiece of the macabre. Let us chant together. I embrace my fate. I welcome the weight. These nails shall pierce, and I shall demonstrate. I embrace my fate. I welcome the weight. These nails shall pierce, and I'll demonstrate. Repeat this mantra until you feel the blood rush to your cheeks. Excitement or regret, it matters not, for both are but fleeting emotions before the grandeur of despair hits in. As you prepare for the physical sensations, allow your imagination to wander to all the places you wish you could have been. Paris on a sunny day, Australia king-faced, all irrelevant. This is your destiny now. Feel gratitude for the exquisite pinch of metal against your skin, the poetic flow of crimson artistry. Now envision the moment as the first nail approaches you, glinting like a morning star, or perhaps the harbinger of doom. Time slows down as you lean into trepidation, knowing it's merely a moment before you become part of something greater, the gallery of sacrifice. Embracing your fear and artistry. Fear is just another brush on the canvas. Let it flow through your body, wrapping you in a cocoon of dread. Inhale. This is for art. Exhale. It will make an excellent antidote at parties. Support your flesh with thoughts of artistic expression. What a legacy you'll leave. Friends will reminisce about the tragic elegance of your offering long after you, well, you know, she was so brave, they will whisper, while trying not to wince at the very mention of your name. Finally, allow a soft smile to replace your frown. Delight in the knowledge that not everybody gets this chance. Sure, your friends might be sipping lattes in cozy cafes, but you are chosen, a muse for gory musings of the universe. Feeling calm? Good. It's time to consider your wardrobe, because if you're going to be a tribute victim, you might as well look fabulous while you're at it. Bloodstains are the new black, darling. As the final notes of this meditation dwindle into haunting echoes, prepare to open your eyes. You are reborn, not just as a victim, but as a curator of your chaos, ready to embrace the nails that will soon pierce your very essence. Welcome back, my brave spirits. May you carry the chilling thrill of this meditation into any of your upcoming adventures. Remember, pain is temporary, but art is eternal, and so is the memory of your sacrifice. And if it all gets too much, just repeat, your mantra until laughter drowns your fear. Nail me, darling, nail me like it's going out of style. Disclaimer, no humans were harmed in the making of this meditation. All screams are purely for artistic effect. We hope you enjoyed our little trip into 80s horror. We hope you are supporting our platforms. We hope you are finding our Patreon. We hope you are coming to our classes. And more than anything, we hope that you are embracing the blood and sharps people in your lives. This community rocks. We love you guys, and we look forward to seeing you soon. From my dungeon to yours, wherever you are. Lots of love and gory kitten kisses.